Buongiorno.
Ciao, buongiorno.
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 Morning. 5 minutes. Follow me.
Sure.
Just a little demonstration, and then you follow me upstairs. Two information about color and decoration, and then you are free to look around. First time Venice?
Yes.
You like?
Yes.
Which part of India?
Western part.
All different.
Yes.
Yeah.
Different places.
Yes, India is Europe.
Schengen.
Okay, this is like a 15th, 16th century style. I give you 2-3 information. But if you see this kind of decoration, it's the same of the chandelier, like this one. But 2-3 minutes, chandelier is not possible. Just a little one in the kind. Very important, it's completely handmade. Handmade would mean practically 2 pieces exactly the same is impossible. Demonstration, the basic composition of the glass is silicon, sand, soda and potash, like this one. First, the master blow the sheet. See? Won't you try? It's very difficult, not school. It's only a tradition by family. Maybe you start like an assistant, you have to try 20, 25, 30 years. Maybe if you have talent, passion, maybe you become an artist, but it's very difficult. Now we have to model the neck of the glass. You can check the temperature is around 1030 and the other one is 1040. In this case, if you wait more than 30-40 seconds, the glass becomes strong and it's impossible to stretch the glass. It's like a chewing gum. It's fused together, become a unique piece. You like?
Yes.
Please, one by one, if you want, you can touch.
Is it hot?
No, I'm joking. Now, this is just a little demonstration, 2-3 minutes, very important. At the end, we put the glass into the cooling oven for 24 hours. You have to wait 24 hours. We start from maybe 800, 600, 500, 400 degrees, and the glass becomes very, very strong. You see like artistic glass, but you can use every day. Okay, grazie maestro, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please, if you follow me upstairs.